Are you tired of seeing your Gmail inbox cluttered with old messages? In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to delete multiple messages in Gmail on your PC, thanks to the new update. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your inbox. It's time to take control and tidy up that message overload. Next, it's time to select the emails you want to delete. To do this, look for the small checkboxes located to the left of each email. Simply click on the box next to each message you wish to remove. If you want to delete a large number of emails at once, you can also select the top box to choose all messages on the current page. Don't worry, a notification will appear allowing you to select all conversations in the folder if you want to delete even more at once. Now that you've chosen the messages you want to eliminate, look towards the top of your inbox. There, you'll find the delete icon, which looks like a trash can. Click on this icon and just like that, your selected emails will be deleted. It's a quick and efficient way to declutter your inbox. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you can delete multiple messages in Gmail on your PC. This new update makes managing your emails simpler than ever. So, go ahead and clear out that inbox. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy emailing.